Kheda unites. The struggle of the farmers in Kheda village begins with an unbearable burden of taxes imposed by the British government, leaving them with barely enough to survive, and Mahatma Gandhi and Sardar Patel decide to join forces with them to fight for their rights. As the movement gains momentum, the farmers, led by Mahatma Gandhi and Sardar Patel, organize peaceful protests and demonstrations, refusing to pay the unjust taxes and demanding reform from the British authorities. Despite facing violent suppression and intimidation from the British, the farmers and their leaders remain steadfast in their commitment to non-violent resistance, inspiring a nation with their courage and determination. The Kheda Satyagraha movement becomes a beacon of hope for the Indian independence movement, as people from all over the country begin to take notice of the power of peaceful protest and the importance of standing up against injustice. As the British government begins to realize the futility of their attempts to suppress the movement, they are forced to reconsider their policies and eventually grant relief to the farmers, marking a significant victory for the Kheda Satyagraha and a major milestone in the struggle for Indian independence. The Kheda Satyagraha movement comes to a triumphant conclusion, leaving behind a legacy of courage, non-violent resistance, and the power of unity, inspiring future generations to continue the fight for freedom and justice. Subscribe my page for more such videos.